Good morning, Andrea.
Oh no. No, come on. What am I supposed to do now? Hi, Allison.
Hi, Andre.
Did
I
you
have a new
have
desk, I
Welcome
guess.
back.
Did you have a good holiday?
Thank you. Yes, I did, but wow. Oh my God. This is no fun.
Surprise!
Thank you. Surprise.
Yeah, it wasn't us.
Oh, who was it?
Well, that is information we can't divulge, I suppose.
Okay, how can I move this stuff away from my desk?
Well, you don't do anything when you're here anyway.
Shut up.